Trading Gurus, episode
8.
8. Yeah, episode 8 now, guys. So, welcome to Trading Gurus, episode 8. I'm Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades.
And I'm Sarah.
And so, what is a trading guru?
A trading guru alerts you to stocks that are barely moving, or very
No alert on the stock at all.
Yeah, no alert on the stock
Has
at all.
not even popped up on an alert or a scanner, unless they're literally looking and scanning for everything that has no alert. Then I guess they'd be putting money all across all stocks.
Right, and then they end up popping out at the very, very tippy top of it and making like
always in the bottom, always out at the top, always making huge amounts of money.
Dollars.
Trading guru, also somebody that doubles and triples their account.
Doubles and triples their account with their $16,000, $10,000 trades.
Well, yeah, but they start with like 400, 500, 800, I don't know, like really small amounts.
Yeah.
And the next thing you know, they're like, it's 4,000, it's 12,000, it's 28,000, it's 132,000. You know, it's like, really?
Yeah, and
really?
I only did it in 8 weeks.
Yeah, I only did it in 8 weeks. So basically, here's the deal today. What's the difference between a trading guru and a trading mentor? Trading mentor, first of all, has your best interest at heart.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And a trading guru has their bank account and their trading account. You know, because usually a trading guru is probably likely going to be a gambler with a lot of gambling tendencies.
Yeah.
So they're going to need an ever-growing account to stay in the game. And, well, you just might be that avenue to keep that account growing and flowing. You know, otherwise they would be on the streets, you know, I don't know, looking for jobs, looking for maybe driving Uber or Lyft to try to pay the rent. I don't know.
Who knows?
But so trading mentors, though, on the other hand, guys, this is not so much about trading gurus and what they do wrong to people, but this video today is more about trading mentors. Where are these trading mentors?
Yeah, where are they?
I have found trading mentors with amazing companies, first of all. I have found there's trading mentors at Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas has been around. If you don't know about Trade Ideas, you've been living under a rock, or you're so new that you need to learn what Trade Ideas is then.
Right.
Links in the description, by the way.
Yeah.
And it's not just paying a subscription to get their product, but they have so much free stuff going on.
Yeah, because there's a lot of people out there that want you to pay thousands of dollars to learn, but Trade Ideas is a perfect place to go to learn things.
I mean, these other guys, they charge you to get into, we have our live stream here for free, right? You guys are joining us for free every day, and thank you so much for providing value. But Barry with Trade Ideas, they offer a free live trading room, and they even started streaming it on YouTube now also, which is really awesome. So you got a couple choices on how you want to utilize that. Free books, lots of free ebooks with Trade Ideas.
Yeah. Back
to the basics. If you're just trying to learn the basics, they have it. They have you covered. Back to the basics.
Yep.
TI University. TI University shows you all about Trade Ideas, how to use it, how it can work and help you finding different setups. And just by going through and watching these videos and listening to these guys, you'll learn. You want a guru for one reason. You want a guru so you can find setups. Well, when they teach you these scans are setups. Every single scan is a setup. The reason for the scan is because it's scanning for setups.
Yeah.
You know, new high alert, you know, on 15 times relative volume with a float less than 1 million. That's a super low float beast, guys.
Right.
That's even more like restricted than my low float beast scanner.
You can set your scanners however you want.
But they show you how to make these scanners. They show you and that's telling you what the setup is. So now, just by learning what you can adjust your settings to, your filters to find these different trades, you've just now learned setups. So, I mean, that's awesome. And then you got TrendSpider. TrendSpider is out here all the time, putting out so much educational information.
Yeah.
You know, and these are trading mentors, and you know these are veteran traders, and they're even veteran traders are growing traders. We're all growing. If you're a trader,
always growing. You're
agreeing to basically be a student of the market forever. You know, the market's ever changing, so you have to flow with it. TrendSpider has a blog. They have their YouTube videos. They have TrendSpider University basically showing you how to use their product. Again, teaching you setups, showing you exactly what you need to be looking for. You don't need somebody to tell you to look for the WYZ shape. You know, you don't need somebody telling you that an M that has shortly higher this or that this is going to be a bullish, bearish indicator. You know, you don't even need to read a big giant Candlesticks book, honestly. You don't need to know every setup in the world, because if you did, like, first of all, how many of those actually work, you know? I'm looking for really simple things, and this is basically, I mean, it's so simple. I'm looking for higher highs, higher lows, lower lows. That's a main thing to look for. I mean, there's a setup for you, and then we can take and we can draw additional shapes attached to that, and we can tell you that this is bullish or bearish based on whatever. And, you know, yeah, maybe not. If you don't match that with the price action, if you're intraday trading, that doesn't matter anyways.
Right.
So, sorry about the little rambling there, guys. Back to it. Zinga.
Yeah,
Zinga has
awesome.
so much weekly webinars.
Yep.
With I mean, I'm talking veterans, guys. I'm talking, these guys have been in the trenches. They've been around the world. They've been in politics. Big Beat, for example. Very talented man. He knows what he's talking about, and he is more than willing to help and basically mentor with these different mediums, you know, to show us, all of us, what he's learned through all his years of trading.
Yeah, and plus he's in the Zinga chat basically every day.
Ryan Faluna, he has some webinars of his own. He's on the webinars with Big Beat. Also, some really great information. Right. My first time talking to Ryan, he told me about an amazing, basically, way that he looks for, you know, a stock that's bullish overall, like Apple, and on a huge pullback, boom, he grabs it. He tries to grab it at the lowest possible. That's awesome. That's really great information. That's a trading mentor, guys, not a trading guru.
Right.
And the only thing that they're possibly wanting you to do is to maybe try out their products. But the products that I tell you guys that you might want to try out, and the products they tell you might want to try out, these are not just something people are trying to sell you, some garbage to get you to pay your money that you don't need. These are actually really amazing products that bring profit to us daily.
Yes.
They pay for themselves in such a short amount of time. You know, I mean, obviously you have to be disciplined, do your own due diligence, grow as a trader. But back to it. These guys are offering all this free information, all this free education, basically.
Right.
And another one, professors. I've had professors willing to teach me, mentor me, show me, deans of amazing private colleges in this case, really, really high, you know, nice, good colleges. Genius, I'm sounding a little bit like Trump here, guys. It's really great. Anyways. So, yeah, I mean, just willing to show me exactly what groups to go to. What this dean over here is creating this group for entrepreneurs and traders alike, and I don't know, like just stuff like this. And then CEOs, guys. CEOs and people that work in these great companies willing to, I mean, they're not hiding themselves from you.
Right, they're not.
Like these people are doing podcasts all the time. They're telling you what they think about the market. They're telling you where they've been in the market. You know, they've been in the market a very long time. They can tell you just by where they started what was going on in the market at that time. Things you probably don't even know about the market. History.
Right. Yeah, and there's a lot of it.
And that history can help us make better decisions today.
Right.
So the point here is simple with all that rambling, is that there's so much free information out there. And again, before I'm too late on this one, I want to make sure I tell you guys, TradeStation has education. TradeStation is an amazing platform. They're my favorite platform to trade with, hands down. And you know, hopefully they can do the same for you, but they have their own education as well. Free education. It's so many places. Edgewonk, when you buy one-time fee on their product,
this
with
is
a small,
really great deal.
Right.
Edgewonk.
We've been using it for years now, and we paid once.
Right.
We paid less than it was like around $160 something or something, I think.
Yeah, you pay the more money you get to get lessons from them.
Right. We added the extra money in there, which was not much. Plus, they had the coupon code that they offered us. First of all, these guys agreed to offer a military discount coupon code for us. Just first time I asked, no problem. They offered us a coupon code for our community, and then a special coupon code for those who have served or are serving. So that was awesome. But they also put together an awesome education package that you just pay a small amount for. But not only that, Trade Society on YouTube, those guys, I mean, the information they're giving, the books, there's books. Like there's a book available right now from Kindle that it was free just recently, and he has lowered the prices. And then there was another book that he was going to publish that he decided just to give it away for free. He just tweeted it So I mean,
Yeah, that's
you know,
nice.
links will be in the description for these guys. Check out their Twitters. Check out their free products. Check out their education before you go spending money on some guru because you want to get rich really fast or whatever it is. You know, learn from real traders and learn from the traders that are here trying to mentor you, not be your guru.
Right. We don't want gurus.
Say no to gurus and say no to ticks.
Yep.
What are ticks, guys? Ticks are politicians. We're America, for the people, by the people, and we have public servants. We don't have ticks. Say no to ticks. Tell the world now. Say no to ticks. At Mighty Soldiers on Twitter, I just shared a really awesome meme, I guess, that's say no to ticks. And if you guys want to share that all over the world, go right ahead because honestly, guys, it's time to stand up with this ridiculous stuff, political, you know, back and forth, whining, crying, yelling, screaming, holding the American people hostage. It's time to say no to ticks. Sorry to get all political there for a moment, but anyways, you know, go ahead and check that out and share that if you believe in the cause. Say no to ticks. Share it, spread it. Say no to ticks.
Yeah.
And say no to gurus.
Say no to ticks. Say no to gurus.
So we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.